Hello friends, welcome to my channel AS Tech Again. So friends, I have talked about in Windows 11 in my photos cannot open in a Microsoft Photos applications but open in other applications like Paint and WhatsApp. So this I have open in this photos but cannot open in a Microsoft Photos applications. So close a file explorer and then how to fix this problem. So open Windows and Windows settings, then scroll down, then open apps and then install apps, click on, then scroll down and find Microsoft Photos applications. Wait a second. So there's a photo, Microsoft Photo, that's a loadings, and then click on three dot applications and then click on advanced options, then scroll down and find reset and repair options. Then firstly I have repair on these applications, so it perfectly work. If cannot work on these applications, so have a reset on these applications, then it has a perfectly work on 100%. So thank you for everyone.